Hey guys, this is part 2. In this one we're just going to set up some tiles and start programming. So I've imported a tile set here. Wait a minute. God damn it, that looks like this. And I've set it to multiple and the pixels per unit is 1. This is very important. And I've cut up the sprites that we need. We need those here and this one here. So just to show you how to do it, just delete them and just drag and basically just select the tiles and click apply and go out. This is very important that the pixels per unit is 1, and you can download in the description this tile set, and also the format should be true color, so all the colors are right. And now we're going to create the objects, so just drag them into the scene, and they might be really big, so go into a camera and make sure the what's it called, field of view size is set to something like 120. And yeah, let's just create the what's it called, prefabs, and this is going to be the floor tile 1. Let me just move my mic, I can't really type. Okay, that's good. Nice. Okay, so to create a prefab, you just drag the object into a folder, and in this case I have a folder called prefabs. Just drag it in and drag the other tiles in and name them _2. And we don't have to add anything here because that's how it is. We don't need anything. We don't need any of the colliders. We only need the actual sprites. And then we got floor tile 3. And then the wall. And for the wall, I guess we have to add a box collider. 2D, remember, it has to be a 2D collider because else it won't work properly when we add other things to the scene, like a player that has a 2D collider on it. As you can see, the wall tile is a little bit higher than the other tiles. It's because we want the player to be able to walk behind it. It gives a nice effect, and therefore we need to decrease the height of the collider so the player is able to walk up here. Let's just move it down. Just -3, I guess. Yeah. Good. And now just name it wall and drag it into the prefabs. And we don't need these anymore, so we can just delete them. Okay, we got our tiles and wall. So the reason why we have 3 different tiles is that we want to cycle randomly between them when we create the scene, just to add some, randomness. So now let's create the actual generator. So create an empty game object right here and name it a level generator, or what you want it to be. I'll just call it level gen. And we need a script. So go into your scripts folder and create a C# script and make sure it is called something like level generator, which makes sense. Yeah. And drag it onto your level gen object and drop it into the prefabs, because why not? Open up your script, and now we're gonna start programming. Okay, so we actually don't need the update function for now. We need the start, but we will just remove the comment up here. Okay, so to start off, we will create our variables, and we will need the tiles, and that is going to be an array of game objects. There we go, and the brackets right here is telling that the variable is going to be an array. And then we need what do we need? We need a public vector3 or an array of vector3s, which is called created tiles. And then we need an int, which is going to be the tile amount. And I forgot the int here. Tile amount. And that is obviously the amount of tiles the generator is going to be generating. Okay, and then we need another int that is going to be tile offset, and that is going to be the space between each movement of the generator, which is going to be the size of each tile, which in this case is 16 units, because the tiles is 16 by 16 and we've set the pixels per unit to 1, so yeah. Good, let me just jump back in here. And let's add another game object. That is going to be the wall. And now we are going to create a function or an IE numerator. And that is just going to be called IE numerator generate level. So the reason why we're going to use an IE is for debugging reasons, so we can slow down the process and see what happens. Okay, so we have to say yield return 0 just to remove the error, and then in the start function we want to start coroutine, and that is going to be, god damn it, generate level. Okay, nice. And also we need this system.collections.generic, so we can use the list. And right here actually it should be list, and instead of that other kind of array, because this kind of array is dynamic, so we can change it in runtime without changing the amount of elements there can be in it. You can go read it on the scripting API on Unity's website. Okay, so what do we do now? Well, I guess we are going to assign our variables, and that's going to be it for this part. And then we're going to continue afterwards and do some more generating. So let's just go into a level generator, and on the tile set the size to 3, because we have 3 different tiles. 2 and 3. And then we got the wall. And we don't need anything in the created tiles. Tile amount, let's set that to 50 for now. And the tile offset should be 16. Maybe it's a little bit stupid, or not stupid, a little bit weird to call it tile offset. Maybe it should just be tile size. Yeah, let's call it tile size instead. Tile size. Good, that makes more sense. For now, I guess we're going to see. So yeah, that was it for part 1, and in the next part we're going to start generating. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you have any problems or any suggestions, and see you later, guys. Goodbye.